Hey y'all, welcome to the Sip Bite Go YouTube channel. I am so excited today. We are making these yummy grilled potato foil packets with buffalo sauce and blue cheese. They're a little bit spicy, totally satisfying, perfect for your next barbecue. Yukon Gold potatoes are perfect for this recipe. You don't really need to peel them. Chop off any parts you don't like and cube them into 1 or 2 inch cubes. Mix together the potatoes with half cup of shallots diced up, half teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon fresh ground black pepper. With 1/4 cup olive oil, give it all a stir. Now it's time to assemble the foil packets you're going to cook these in. Tear off 4 large sheets of tin foil about 15 inches wide and place 1/4 of the potato mixture in the center of each sheet. Top it with 2 tablespoons blue cheese crumbles. Fold and seal the foil packets, making sure they are completely closed on the top and the sides, but you do want a little extra room, about 2 inches at the top, for the steam to circulate. These are going to grill on medium high, about 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to place them on the side without the direct flame. So this is called indirect heat. If you're unfamiliar, if you're new to grilling, I guess. Don't forget to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube for more tasty recipes. You can also print out all these different things you can grill together at sipbitego.com. So these foil potato packets take about 30 minutes to cook over indirect heat. Perfect to have some protein like chicken going on the side, and kebabs up top. These are so perfect. You know that they're done when the fork can pierce them quite easily. Drizzle them with some buffalo sauce, sprinkle with cilantro, and these are gonna freaking explode in your mouth. Yummy. It's really delicious. These turn out so creamy. The blue cheese is really nice against that buffalo sauce. Of course, classic combination. Full of flavor. I have new grilling videos coming out this week, so hang out with me to make even better barbecue. Cheers.